Concussions.com. And now it's time to send it over to Nicole, who's standing by with details about school injuries.
That's right. You know, Java, kids are back in school, which also means they're getting back into the routine of sports and extracurricular activities. But if your kids are not careful this year, it could also be a time of injury, which none of us parents want to see. Here with all the details about how to prevent these injuries, Russ Hyde, welcome to you.
Thank you.
So you see a lot of this. What are some of the most common injuries when it comes to kids?
When it comes to kids, you see your typical strains and sprains. You see bone injuries, especially in a growth plate in the younger kids. You'll see repetitive injuries in your throwing athletes. And then in the South especially, you see heat-related illnesses.
Is there a way that we can prevent some of these strains and sprains?
Yeah, a big thing is warming up before, learning how to stretch before and after an activity, preparing well before you get into an activity as well. So if you know you're going to be starting, you know, even a flag football or a youth football program or softball, you want those kids running and exercising and doing things months before to get ready for it.
Now, I had a growth plate injury when I was young. Tell me a little bit about growth plate injuries and what the protocol is.
Yeah, okay. So your growth plate injuries occur in long bones in your body, and the growth plate is where the bone is actually getting longer as you age, so it's in the younger kids. And anytime you have a growth plate injury, you really need to seek medical advice from an orthopedic surgeon or someone like that, because this type of injury can stop the bone from growing, and you don't want that to happen and end up with a lot of other problems.
I was going to say, then you've got to have leg lengthening or arm lengthening surgeries, and that's that's what I had, 2 of those.
Yeah.
Mine wasn't from sports. I'm not even coordinated. Mine's from getting hit by a car when I was little. Oh. But either way, I mean, the bottom line is these are serious matters. And if you're a parent out there watching this morning, you've really got to take note, especially with kids now playing multiple sports.
Sure. Sure, and as a parent, you need to prepare your kid in a number of ways for a sporting event. Number one, get a physical. You know, before the events, go to, at the Brookwood Baptist System, we have a lot of primary care physicians who do pre-sport physicals, and those are great because you're checking your heart, you're checking your lungs, you're checking out, making sure the kid is healthy enough to participate.
Now, there's a good acronym. I think it's RICE.
Yeah.
Tell me what RICE stands for.
Okay, so if you have especially an acute injury, so you have an ankle sprain, you have something like that, you want to rest the area. Rest it. So like an ankle, you want to get off of it. You want to get on some crutches. You want to ice the area down.
Ice is the second one.
Yep, so you decrease the swelling, decrease the edematous tissues.
Okay.
And then compression. There's a lot of different compression devices, wraps, boots, anything that causes a mild compression. You don't want to do too much because you don't want to shut off the circulation.
Okay.
And then E would be elevation.
E for elevation. Yep. So RICE. Good way to remember it.
Yeah. So and with the elevation, the key thing is keep that higher than the level of your heart because you want that fluid draining down.
Now, besides the stretching, anything else that we as parents need to be on the lookout for or be doing?
A big thing, the focus right now is on concussions.
Yes.
So make sure you as a parent and your child both know the symptoms of a concussion, and make sure your child speaks up. If they're having some memory issues, if they're having headaches, they're having things like that, they need to tell somebody. They need to go to the coach. They need to go to you. They need to go to somebody that can help them get help.
That's true. And exercise, I know, another important component just to keep your body moving and fluid, really.
Oh, exactly. Hydration is key in the heat. You want to be hydrated.
Okay, for more information, how do people get it?
You can call our Brookwood Baptist hotline. You can get information from there, looking us up on the web.
At brookwoodbaptisthealth.com is the website. So for more information, simply go there and they will lead you anywhere you want to go. Lots of information on that homepage. So thank you so much for being here.
You're welcome. Thank you.
We appreciate it.